Welcome to Virtual Vault, your ultimate destination for premium outdoor and camping gear. We are passionate about equipping adventurers, campers, and outdoor enthusiasts with the essential tools and equipment needed to enhance their outdoor experiences. Our mission at Virtual Vault, our mission is to offer high-quality, durable, and innovative products that make your outdoor adventures safer, more comfortable, and more enjoyable. Whether you're planning a weekend camping trip, a hiking expedition, or just a fun day in the great outdoors, we have the perfect gear to meet your needs. What we offer: we take pride in our curated selection of products that cater to a variety of outdoor activities. Our range includes everything from portable camping showers and inflatable mats to emergency survival gear and LED camping lights. Each item in our store is selected for its functionality, reliability, and value, ensuring you have access to the best equipment available. Why choose Virtual Vault? Quality and durability, built to withstand outdoor rigors. Innovative solutions, latest gear to enhance your adventures. Customer satisfaction, exceptional service and support. Affordable prices, high-quality gear at competitive prices. Gear up for every adventure with Virtual Vault. Discover our curated selection of premium outdoor and camping gear, and experience the great outdoors like never before.